Monday. Happy new vlog. I'm so excited. You guys, I lost this sweatshirt for so long and Trevor just found it last night. So I'm wearing it. I love it. It's my favorite sweatshirt. You guys know this. Happy Monday. Update on the burn. It really doesn't look that bad. You can't even tell, to be honest. But it is like hella peeling. Yeah, you literally can't even tell. It's a burnt right here. You can kind of tell that one more. But it hurts like a fucking bitch, so that's fun. I guess it's not as bad as I thought it was, but that bitch fucking hurt when it happened. I was so hungry this morning. Probably because I woke up and scrolled in bed for like an hour. That's why I'm so hungry. So I'm gonna make some breakfast. I think I'm gonna make scrambled eggs this morning. That sounds so good. I'm so happy because like we literally cleaned out all of our cabinets pretty much, and it's so nice because it just like feels more cleaner, feels lighter, feels good. Vlog, you know what I was thinking? The fact that I film my life every single day, so you would think it would be like the same every single day, but I feel like genuinely the vlogs are always different. Like maybe they have like some similarities, like I'm always at home, but like for instance, I feel like I haven't filmed me making breakfast and a coffee in so long, and that's what I did in the beginning. So we're gonna make coffee now. Don't look down here because I'm not wearing a bra. Why were you looking? My dream self has Nespresso pods. I don't have any right now. So this it is. Nescafe Gold. Let me not burn myself again. It's me espresso. God, going in my freezer and seeing so many things makes me so happy. Like I could have no groceries, my fridge be empty, but if my freezer is full of like good shit, I feel like if you are out of groceries, it means your freezer is empty. You know what I'm saying? Like out of groceries. Anyway, here's my coffee. A little bit of a headache. I need to take some pills. Yeah, it's good. Okay, let's take my meds. We'll pop some ibuprofen. And take some ashwagandha. Ugh, that one tastes so bad. Magnesium. Let me de-bloat because I don't have any poppies. It tastes so good. I'm gonna go edit my yesterday's vlog and I'll update you guys with what we end up doing next. Okay, hi vlog. 4 p.m. and I just finished my video. For some reason, my MacBook was not turning on like at all. So the first half the clips I had to download from like the app that you get with Sony. Holy shit. I swear, like 3 videos downloaded every 45 minutes. So honestly, the editing wasn't even the hardest part. It was getting the footage off the SD card. I need to get a actual Apple adapter to my phone, like SD card adapter, because I think that's maybe why my phone isn't reading the card. I don't know. I'm not sure, but I gotta figure something out because it's so frustrating. I was supposed to start my makeup like 3 hours ago, but it's okay. I did my hair, so I'm just ready for it. But now I'm like so hungry that I need a snack before I start filming. So we're gonna make a snack together and I'm really excited. Up on the menu today, we're gonna do a little wrap. I don't know, it sounds good. It's a wrap. I also ordered lashes and they're supposed to come today. I'm gonna check if they're here. Okay, they're not here, unfortunately. I'm gonna start by shredding some carrots because I don't know, it sounds good. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take some of these carb balanced tortilla. We'll just make 2 little wraps, 2 little fun little wraps. We're gonna do tzatziki. We're gonna do some of this. I love tzatziki. We're gonna go some carrots. Now we're gonna add the cucumbers. Yum. And literally just to spice it up a little bit, we're gonna do I found out it's Grillos, not Krillos. I'm kind of stupid. We're just really, because this is already cucumbers, so we're just gonna like use some of this juice to kind of give her some flavor. Okay, yum. And that's my wrap. That's our wrap. I'm gonna eat these. I'm gonna feed my dogs, take out chicken for dinner, and then we're gonna go up and do my makeup. Okay, I actually just finished my food, and Trev just got home. I think I might smoke a little bit before I film. Okay guys, hi. I finished my makeup. I literally don't think I've updated you in a very long time. I'm so sorry. This is the makeup. What do we think? Is it cute? Is it giving? I don't know. I feel like it's really cute. I did like Pinterest chooses my makeup, so it was completely all at random, but it ended up working out. So that's kind of cool. It's currently 7 p.m. and I have yet to make dinner. So I'm gonna go make some dinner. My skincare drawer just fell, but we're gonna worry about that tomorrow. Also, Trevor's streaming right now, so I'm watching his stream. Let's go make some dinner. Okay, hi guys. I don't know the last thing I filmed, but Trevor just got off his stream. It was a really good stream. And I'm really excited because tomorrow, which if you're watching this when I just uploaded it, it will be today. He is doing a stream tomorrow where he reacts to whatever chat sends him. So I'm really excited for that. And everyone was like telling each other what they're sending. And I'm really excited because I'm also gonna be on his stream. So I can't wait for that. Yeah, I'm just really excited. Now it's 9 p.m. He had to cut his stream a little short because we have to go up to his mom's house, and then we're also going to the dispo tonight and then potentially somewhere else. But I'm excited. Is it crazy for me to go up to his mom's house with my makeup like this? I don't think so because she knows I'm crazy. Yeah, so that's the update. I'll let you guys know what ends up happening. And yeah, love you.
We can do an iced latte. So which one did you want to do?
What's in a latte again? Is that just milk?
Yeah, I think it actually has espresso. The iced coffee doesn't. It's
Oh,
just
okay.
coffee, and then the latte does have espresso and milk.
Okay, yeah, we'll do the latte, please.
Of course.
J'étudie en Angleterre.
J'étudie en Angleterre. Sometimes it'd be hard, right?
We got McDonald's and Trevor didn't eat all of it, so I made this little note for him next to his lunchbox for tomorrow morning.